Posture is how we present ourselves to the audience. Posture can also send off vibes about how we're trying to express the information that we're sharing. So in this video, I want to talk about posture, and I'm going to give you 3 tips to help you improve your posture to enhance your presentations. The first thing that we're going to talk about is that your shoulders are back. Right? When we're forward, this is kind of a tense situation, right? Or we don't really feel confident. When we give a presentation, we want to bring our shoulders up like this. We don't want to be chest out, that's too far, but we want to stand up. Imagine if you're standing against the wall with your back against the wall and your shoulders are there. They're almost touching the wall if you stand there. If they're off, you're too far forward, and if your back is off the wall, you're too far backwards. How can we do that? How can we keep our shoulders back? Well, one thing you can do is start with your chin. When your chin's down, that pulls your neck forward and also your shoulders. Bring your chin up a little bit so that it's level. Not too high, not too low. Bring it level. Again, if you're standing against the wall, you can feel the back of your head kind of touch the wall. If you go past that, your chin's too high. Right? Now, I'm not talking about leaning your head backwards. I just mean kind of moving back so your head's touching. Okay? There's a little knot on your head. If you can feel the wall there, that's a good place to start. If you feel it below that, your neck's too low. And if you feel it up towards your crown, your chin's too high. So bring your chin up a bit. Will also help you bring your shoulders back. And the last thing, don't be confined. We're going to talk about hand gestures, but what you want to do is take your arms. You never want to leave your arms down here. This is confined. It's when everything's really tight. We want to relax a little bit. Okay, make sure our arms are not down at our sides, but hanging at a natural state. And then bring your arms up. When you do this, it also pulls your shoulders back a little bit. So your navel area is a good place to keep your hands, and we'll talk more about that in another video. But bring your hands up, not up to your chest, that's too far back, and not down in front, that's too confined and down. Bring it up. And I also learned a little trick. Imagine there are ping pong balls or golf balls, something small, right under your arms. You might even practice this when you're practicing your presentations. Put a golf ball under there, right? You're not out here, but you're not in here. That ping pong ball will leave you kind of in a natural state, right out here. So by focusing on our chin, our shoulders, and our arm placement, we can have better posture.